Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 11 Pro, and today I will show you how to back up your device using iTunes. So before you get started, you will need a cable. This one, plug it into your computer and then open up iTunes. So as we plug it in, it will automatically perform a backup if there is nothing changed on it. As you can see right now, syncing, backing up, and that basically creates the backup. Now, if you have it disabled for some reason, you can always do it manually. Once it's finished, the option right here to backup will be available. So right now you could just tap on backup now, and basically it does the same thing as previously. And you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.